If you missed the Bitcoin rocket to becoming a crypto millionaire, today's video will bring a smile to your face as all hope isn't quite lost. While Bitcoin and Ethereum often grab headlines, Cardano ADA is a rising star that many investors are eyeing. Today, we'll explore Cardano's potential and ask, how much ADA is needed to reach that coveted millionaire status? Let's dive in. Cardano, often referred to by its native token, ADA, isn't just another name in the vast sea of cryptocurrencies. It's a project with a vision, a purpose, and a unique approach. Founded back in 2017 by Charles Hoskinson, one of the co-founders of Ethereum, Cardano was designed with a research-first approach. Instead of rushing into the market, the team behind Cardano took their time, ensuring every step was backed by rigorous scientific research and peer reviews. Now, what truly sets Cardano apart? For starters, it's built on the Ouroboros proof-of-stake blockchain protocol, which is not only energy efficient, but also offers a higher degree of security. Unlike many other blockchains, Cardano's development is layered, meaning it separates the ledger of account values from the reason why values are moved from one account to the other. This ensures greater flexibility and easier upgrades. But that's not all. Cardano is also committed to sustainability, inclusivity, and transparency. It's not just about creating a decentralized currency, it's about building a platform that can bring about positive change, especially in regions where traditional financial systems have fallen short. In essence, Cardano isn't just a cryptocurrency, it's a movement. Who hasn't dreamt of becoming a millionaire? Especially in the crypto realm, where tales of overnight millionaires are not just myths, but realities for some. The allure is undeniable. With just the right investment at the right time in the right cryptocurrency, fortunes can change. We've all heard stories of early Bitcoin adopters who, with a modest investment, found themselves sitting on a gold mine as Bitcoin's value skyrocketed. Similarly, early investors in Ethereum, Binance Coin, and even Dogecoin have seen returns that traditional stock markets could take decades to offer. These success stories, while inspiring, also come with a world of caution. For every success, there are tales of missed opportunities and investments gone awry. But one thing is for sure, the crypto world is full of potential. And with informed decisions, the dream of becoming a millionaire isn't entirely out of reach. In the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrencies, prices can be influenced by a myriad of factors. When it comes to Cardano, understanding its price dynamics requires a deep dive into its unique ecosystem and the broader market landscape. Current market conditions and Cardano's position, the crypto market is known for its volatility, with prices often driven by investor sentiment, global economic conditions, and regulatory news. In this vast sea of digital assets, Cardano stands out as one of the top contenders in the market cap race. Its robust technology, commitment to sustainability, and decentralized approach have garnered significant attention. As with all cryptocurrencies, Cardano's price is influenced by supply and demand dynamics. When the broader market is bullish, ADA often rides the wave, and when there's a downturn, it's not immune to the pullback. But it's essential to note that Cardano's fundamentals often help it weather the storms better than some of its peers. Technological advancements and updates. Cardano isn't just another blockchain. It's a platform built on a foundation of peer-reviewed research and evidence-based methods. Its development phase, named after famous writers and poets, have seen consistent updates. From the Byron phase, which laid the foundation, to the Alonzo update, which introduced smart contracts, each technological advancement has been a potential catalyst for price movement. Investors and enthusiasts closely watch these updates, knowing that with each enhancement, Cardano moves a step closer to realizing its vision of a decentralized and sustainable blockchain that can scale and evolve. Partnerships, collaborations, and real-world use cases. One of Cardano's standout features is its commitment to creating real-world impact. Its partnerships span various sectors, from education initiatives in Africa to collaborations with governments for blockchain governance. These aren't just headlines, they're use cases that showcase Cardano's potential to revolutionize industries. For instance, its collaboration with Ethiopia's Ministry of Education to create a blockchain-based ID system for students is a testament to its scalability and utility. Such partnerships not only bolster Cardano's reputation, but can also have a positive influence on ADA's price, as they signify adoption and practical utility. Let's not forget that Cardano ecosystem is really starting to flourish. There are a lot of projects being built on the top of Cardano now, including NFT projects and projects in pretty much every crypto niche. In conclusion, while the crypto market's unpredictability remains, understanding the factors that influence Cardano's price can equip investors with the knowledge to navigate the ADA journey more effectively. Cardano ADA, often hailed as the Ethereum killer, has had quite the rollercoaster ride since its inception. Let's take a nostalgic trip down memory lane and chart ADA's remarkable price journey. From humble beginnings. Cardano made its debut in the crypto world in late 2017. Back then, you could snag some ADA for just a few cents. It was a new kid on the blockchain, but with a unique approach to scalability, sustainability, and decentralization, it quickly caught the attention of the crypto community. The 2018 spike and subsequent correction. Like many cryptocurrencies, ADA wasn't immune to the late 2017 to early 2018 crypto frenzy. In January of 2018, riding the bullish wave, ADA touched its then all-time high of over $1. However, what goes up must come down. The broader market correction saw ADA retracting to the sub-dollar range for a significant period. Steady growth and the 2021 bull run. Fast forward to 2021, ADA began making headlines again. With the rollout of the Shelley and Alonzo updates and growing interest in proof-of-stake blockchains, ADA saw a meteoric rise. By September of 2021, ADA had smashed its previous records, reaching an all-time high of over $3. Like all cryptocurrencies, ADA has seen its fair share of price corrections. After each major spike, there have been pullbacks, but what's noteworthy is Cardano's resilience. Even during downturns, the community's faith and the project's consistent development have provided a robust support level for the token. In a nutshell, Cardano's price journey is a testament to its robust fundamentals and the vision of a decentralized future. While the road has had its bumps, the trajectory showcases the potential and promise of ADA in the ever-evolving crypto landscape. Right now is the perfect time to dive deeper into the numbers. How much ADA would you need to hold on to potentially become a millionaire? Let's explore 3 different scenarios and do some math to find out. Number 1, best case scenario. Sky's the limit for ADA. Imagine a world where ADA not only reaches its all-time high, but goes beyond. Let's say, for the sake of this scenario, ADA hits a whopping $10. If you're aiming for that coveted millionaire status, 1 million divided by 10 equals 100,000 ADA. You need to hold on to approximately 100,000 ADA tokens. Now, that might sound like a lot, but remember, early adopters who believed in the project could have acquired this for a fraction of the cost years ago. Number 2, the moderate scenario. Slow and steady wins the race in this scenario. Let's assume ADA sees a steady growth over the years, reaching a stable price of $5. It's not as meteoric as our best case, but it's still a significant appreciation. 1 million divided by 5 equals 200,000 ADA. To become a millionaire in this scenario, you would need around 200,000 ADA tokens. This is a more conservative estimate, factoring in the neutral EBB and flow of the market. Number 3, the conservative scenario. Every bit counts, so let's be ultra conservative now. Imagine ADA experiences minimal growth, stabilizing at around its previous all-time high of $3. It's a modest assumption, especially considering the potential of the Cardano project. 1 million divided by 3 equals 333,333.33. In this scenario, you would need approximately 333,333 ADA tokens to reach that $1 million mark. A world of caution. While these calculations give us a ballpark figure, it's essential to remember that the crypto market is highly volatile. Prices can surge, but they can also plummet. It's always crucial to do your own research, consult with financial advisors, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. In conclusion, whether you're an early ADA adopter or considering jumping in now, understanding these scenarios can give you a clearer picture of the potential outcomes. But always remember, in the world of crypto, nothing is guaranteed. Alright, now that we've painted a picture of the potential millionaire journey with ADA, it's time to ground ourselves a bit. As with any investment, especially in the crypto space, there are risks and considerations to keep in mind. Number 1, the roller coaster ride of crypto. First and foremost, the crypto market is known for its volatility. One day you might see your investments skyrocket, and the next, they could take a nosedive. ADA, like all cryptocurrencies, is not immune to these wild price swings. It's essential to have a strong stomach and a long-term perspective. Remember, the crypto journey is more of a marathon than a sprint. Number 2, navigating the regulatory maze. Regulations can be a double-edged sword. On one hand, they could bring legitimacy and stability to a cryptocurrency. On the other, they can pose challenges, especially if they're restrictive or unfavorable. Cardano's ADA, being a significant player in the space, is always under the regulatory microscope. Any changes in global or local crypto regulations can influence ADA's adoption rate and price. Number 3, don't put all of your eggs in one basket. It's an old adage, but it holds especially true in the world of investments. While ADA has immense potential, it's crucial not to bank solely on it. Diversification is key. Spread your investments across different assets to mitigate risk. Think of it as creating a safety net for your financial future. While the dream of becoming a millionaire with ADA is enticing, it's essential to approach it with both eyes open. Stay informed, be cautious, and always make educated decisions. After all, the world of crypto is as much about strategy as it is about vision. Alright, so you're sold on ADA's potential, but how do you maximize your investment? Let's explore some alternative strategies to make the most out of your Cardano journey. Number 1. Diversification is key. While ADA has shown promise, it's also wise to spread your bets. Consider diversifying your portfolio with other promising cryptos. This not only mitigates risk, but also opens doors to multiple avenues of growth. Remember, the crypto world is vast and there's a lot to explore. Number 2. The HODL versus trade debate. Some investors swear by the HODL mantra, holding on to their ADA for the long haul, banking on its future potential. Others prefer active trading, capitalizing on the market's volatility. Both strategies have their merits. It's essential to assess your risk appetite and investment goals before choosing your path. Number 3. Reap rewards with staking. Cardano offers a unique opportunity for ADA holders: staking. By staking your ADA, you can earn passive income while also supporting the Cardano network. It's like putting your ADA to work, letting it earn for you while you sit back and watch. Plus, staking can be a great way to offset market volatility and generate consistent returns. In essence, while ADA offers a golden ticket to potential millionaire status, it's crucial to play your cards right. Explore, strategize, and always stay informed. So, there you have it. If you're chasing that bag and want to buy some ADA to get there, you could become the next crypto millionaire with around 30,000 invested. One of the main things really holding this coin back from really taking off is the number of coins outstanding. And no, Charles is not burning any ADA. He has explicitly stated and reminded everyone the goal of this project is not to increase the token price or make people rich. Just remember that every investment journey is a marathon, not a sprint. Patience, strategy, and a well-informed approach are your best allies. Whether you're dreaming of millionaire status or simply looking for a solid investment, let your decisions be guided by knowledge, not just emotion. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. It really helps out our channel. Hit that like button while you're at it, and we'll see you guys in the next upload.